Jocelyn Snow. This is a Moto Pockets Tail and Tool Bag. Now, this handy bag fits right under the tail of my BMW GS motorcycle. It's got a water-resistant material on the bottom, watertight zipper, and an extra flap for protection. It's bright red on the inside, makes it easy to find your items. And like all the Moto Pockets bag, made in the USA, right here in California. Installation, super easy. One Velcro strap right here on the top, just loops in and around the top rack, Velcro shut. Now what do you keep in a bag like this? Well, in my Moto Pockets Tail and Tool Bag, I keep my motorcycle jump box in the event I come across a friend with a dead battery or if I need to charge my system. Also has a flashlight. Safe, out of sight, but it's there when you need it. Moto Pockets Tail and Tool Bag. Don't go on your adventure without it. I'm Jocelyn Snow. Thanks for watching.